Ramadan isn't just about staying hungry, it's about who's in control, you or your nafs. During Ramadan, the nafs doesn't disappear. It just gets louder. It whispers when you're tired. It complains when you're hungry. It pushes you toward anger, scrolling, and comfort. And fasting exposes it all. The Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us that fasting is a shield, but only if we use it consciously. This Ramadan, don't fight your nafs blindly. Train it, lead it, and let Allah carry you through. So how do we gain control? Step 1. Recognize your triggers. Notice when your nafs shows up. Is it right before iftar? When you're stressed? When you're alone? Awareness weakens the nafs. Step 2. Replace. Don't just resist. When desire rises, redirect it. Dhikr instead of scrolling. Silence instead of reacting. A short dua instead of complaint. Step 3. Lower what feeds the nafs. Too much screen time, too much talk, too much distraction. Ramadan isn't only about controlling food, it's about controlling what enters the heart. Step 4. Use hunger as training. Every hunger pang is a reminder. If I can say no to halal food, I can say no to what displeases Allah. And finally, ask for help. Self-control is not self-power, it's divine support. Say, "O Allah, strengthen me over my nafs." Ramadan trains the soul, not to suppress desire, but to lead it.